Good morning, friends. My name is Amanpreet Singh. Today we are discussing our strategic management analysis plan for the we choose the company Fonterra. I think you are well known about Fonterra. Fonterra is a milk product company in the New Zealand, and there is owned by approximately 10,500 farmers, and the company is responsible for approximately 30% 30% of milking products of the world, and the revenue exceeding of the Fonterra company is New Zealand 17.2 billions New Zealand dollars, and in the first slide there is a table of contents, and on the first slide corporate level strategies, and next is a recommendation to attain competitive advantages, and next is the adoption of process of globalization to expand the business operations, and next is the adoption of technologies to sustain competitive advantage, and last is the references. First of all, I would like to describe the cooperative level strategies of Fonterra. Fonterra can adopt the cooperative level strategies by defining the direction to its employees and conduct a high levels of plans. And the company also needs to communicate to corporate objective to the organization top management. And the cooperative level strategies is described as an action undertaken in the business to gain more competitive advantage, and it's further classified into vertical and horizontal strategies. And the company also can develop the vision and mission statement for the business, and there is some recommendation to attain competitive advantages. The company also can develop the vision and mission statement for the business to describe the future direction of the business. And Fonterra should follow the vertical level strategy, as it will help the company to be supply chain leader in the market. And vertical level strategies will also help to Fonterra to expand and increase the number of operations in the business. And next is the adoption of the process of globalization to expand the business and operations. Fonterra must focus on its communication process, and Fonterra need to make sufficient investment, and expanding business operation in different countries is not easy, and requires appropriate sources to fulfill all the requirement of expanding the business. And globalization will help to bring innovation in their products and providing quality products. And there is some competitive advantages. Appropriate technology can help the company to sustain the competitive advantages successfully, and increase the local demand. And the latest technology will help the company to minimize the cost of operation, overtake the supply chain market, and enhance vertical integration. And the company also needs to think ahead by estimating the future outcomes related to new technology. And company should also Fonterra should also train their employees to when they adopt a new technology. And Fonterra must conduct the required training as per the selected technology, and hence the suggested ways are more efficient to adopt the technology within the business to sustain the competitive advantages. And there are some academic references and links. You can check more about Fonterra if you need. Thanks. Do you have any question?
Do you think that they can lead the advance of technology with the tracking system that Haruka mentioned before?
Sorry, tracking system.
Yeah.
That's a nice question. Fonterra should also improve their tracking system while they are fitting more technological system in their trucks to freeze the freeze their milk and other milking products for long time. Yeah.
Okay.
Any question?
No more question. Okay, then clapping.